Best 3D printer. Looking for the best 3D printer to bring your ideas to life? Whether you're a beginner creating your first models, a hobbyist building custom projects, or a professional looking for faster and more reliable printing, choosing the right 3D printer can make a huge difference. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the best 3D printers available, focusing on speed, print quality, features, and everyday usability to help you find the right one for your needs. Number 5. FLASHFORGE AD5M 3D Printer. Color: gray. If you're looking for a 3D printer that makes the setup process easier, the FLASHFORGE AD5M is an interesting option to consider. This machine is designed for both beginners and experienced creators, with features that focus on making everyday printing more convenient. One of the biggest highlights is the fully automatic one-click calibration system. Instead of manually adjusting the print bed, the printer can measure and set the correct distance automatically, which helps create a smoother first layer. It also uses a Core XY all-metal motion structure, allowing it to print at high speeds while maintaining stable movement. The AD5M supports materials like PLA, PETG, TPU, and carbon fiber versions, giving users flexibility for different projects. The quick-release nozzle system is another practical addition, making nozzle changes much faster when switching between precision and speed-focused printing. The printer also includes a flexible PEI steel plate, power recovery printing, and remote monitoring features through the FlashMaker app. However, like many advanced 3D printers, getting the best results still requires learning proper settings and material handling. Overall, the FLASHFORGE AD5M looks like a solid choice for creators who want a faster, more user-friendly 3D printing experience without moving into a much more complicated professional setup. Pros: easy automatic calibration system, fast Core XY printing structure, quick nozzle replacement design. Cons: learning curve for new users, limited build size for larger projects. Advanced materials may need extra tuning. Number 4. FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M 3D Printer. Color: black. The FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M is a high-speed 3D printer built for people who want to spend less time adjusting settings and more time creating models. Right away, one of its biggest advantages is the one-click automatic leveling system, which helps make the first layer more consistent without the usual manual bed adjustments. This printer uses a Core XY structure designed for fast movement, with a maximum speed of up to 600 mm per second. It also includes vibration compensation to help reduce printing issues like ghosting, which can improve the overall appearance of finished models. The upgraded direct extruder and quick detachable nozzle design make maintenance easier, especially when changing materials or replacing parts. The dual-sided PEI-coated flexible steel plate is another useful feature because it makes removing finished prints simpler while supporting materials like PLA, PETG, and TPU. There is also a filament runout sensor and power loss recovery, which can help protect longer print jobs from unexpected interruptions. While the speed is impressive, beginners may still need some time to understand slicing settings and material adjustments to get the best results. The open frame design also means it works best in a suitable, well-ventilated space. Overall, the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M is a strong option for users who want a fast, convenient 3D printer with beginner-friendly features and room for creative projects. Pros: very fast Core XY printing performance. Automatic leveling saves setup time. Easy nozzle and plate maintenance. Cons: open design offers less environmental protection. Requires learning for advanced printing. Build volume may limit larger models. Number 3. FLASHFORGE AD5X 3D Printer. Color: black. The FLASHFORGE AD5X is a 3D printer designed for creators who want to move beyond basic single-color printing. Its biggest attraction is the ability to print with up to 4 colors, making it easier to create more detailed and visually interesting models without manually changing filament. This printer combines a Core XY motion system with speeds up to 600 mm per second, giving users a faster workflow for everyday projects. The full automatic calibration system is also a helpful feature because it adjusts the print bed automatically, reducing the setup work needed before starting a print. The intelligent filament system allows multiple materials and colors to work together, supporting options like PLA, TPU, PETG, silk, and carbon fiber-based filaments. This flexibility is useful for hobbyists, designers, and anyone experimenting with different types of prints. The vibration compensation system also helps maintain more consistent layer alignment during faster printing. Its compact design is another advantage, especially for users who want multicolor capability without taking up too much workspace. However, multi-material printing can require more filament management and may involve extra tuning compared to simpler printers. Overall, the FLASHFORGE AD5X is a good choice for creators who want faster printing and colorful multi-material projects in a relatively compact machine. Pros: supports 4-color printing, fast Core XY performance, automatic calibration system. Cons: multicolor printing can use more filament, may require tuning for best results, not ideal for very large models. Number 2. FLASHFORGE AD5X Multicolor 3D Printer. Color: black. The FLASHFORGE AD5X is made for anyone who wants to add more creativity and flexibility to their 3D printing projects. Unlike traditional printers that focus on one filament at a time, this model brings multicolor printing into the process with support for up to 4 colors, allowing users to create more detailed and eye-catching designs. One feature that stands out is the intelligent filament system, which helps manage multiple filaments more smoothly during printing. Combined with the automatic leveling system, the AD5X reduces some of the manual adjustments that can make 3D printing frustrating for new users. Performance is another major focus here. The printer uses an all-metal Core XY structure with speeds up to 600 mm per second and acceleration up to 20,000 mm/s superscript 2, aiming to deliver faster prints while maintaining stability. It also supports materials like PLA, PETG, and TPU, giving users more options for different types of projects. The 220 by 220 by 220 mm build area provides enough space for many everyday models, prototypes, and creative designs. However, multicolor printing can require more planning, and getting the best results may still take some experience with slicer settings and materials. Overall, the FLASHFORGE AD5X is a versatile choice for creators who want faster printing, multiple colors, and more freedom to experiment with different designs. Pros: 4-color printing capability, fast and stable Core XY system, supports multiple filament types. Cons: multicolor projects need more setup, learning curve for advanced users, build size may not suit oversized prints. Number 1. FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M Pro 3D Printer. Color: white. The FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M Pro is a 3D printer built for users who want speed, convenience, and a more controlled printing environment. One of the first things that stands out is its enclosed design, which makes it a more practical option for indoor spaces compared with many open-frame printers. The printer features one-click automatic leveling, helping users get a more consistent first layer without spending extra time on manual adjustments. It also uses a Core XY structure with speeds up to 600 mm per second, making it suitable for creators who want to complete projects faster while maintaining accurate prints. The direct extruder supports a variety of materials, including PLA, ABS, ASA, PETG, TPU, and carbon fiber options. The quick detachable nozzle makes maintenance easier, especially for users who frequently switch materials. The built-in camera allows remote monitoring, and the automatic shutdown feature adds extra convenience after prints are completed. Another useful addition is the dual filtration system with HEPA 13 and activated carbon filters, along with quieter operation designed for environments like offices or classrooms. However, advanced materials and high-speed printing may still require some adjustment and learning to achieve the best results. Overall, the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M Pro is a well-rounded choice for users who want a faster, enclosed 3D printer with helpful automation features and better control over their printing environment. Pros: fast Core XY printing performance, enclosed design with filtration system, remote monitoring features. Cons: higher price than basic printers, requires tuning for advanced materials, build size limits larger projects.